Hello everyone, thanks for coming to this channel. In this video, I would like to share about how to make ironing table in Sketchup. Okay, first of all, you have to make rotated rectangle for the board of the ironing table as well, and then you have to make maybe it's around 1,500 millimeter. 1,500 millimeter, something like this, and then you have to make a width of the ironing table is maybe it's around 500 millimeter. Okay, after that you have to make some additional profile of this iron table, maybe something like this. You can see it, and you can make it more curvy on each connection of the line. You can make it like this with a 2-point arc anyway. Then you can now erase and delete all unnecessary object, something like this. You can use erase tool anyway, then you can make it more curvy by the same on a previous method. You can use a 2-point arc, something like this. Okay, you see it, and after that you can make the thickness. Before you make the thickness, you can adjust the length of the ironing table, something like this. You can use move tool, something like this, to adjust the length. And now you can use this pull push tool, and you can make thickness of this table. You can adjust, maybe it's around 330 millimeter, and make it group anyway. Then after that you can make a move on above. You can move it around 800 millimeter anyway, and after that you can make a guiding line, something like this. You can make a guiding line, and you can adjust the, maybe you can make this solid tool for the first. After that you can make the rotated rectangle on it. Okay, you can see it. You can adjust the thickness of the rotated rectangle anyway, maybe something like this. Okay, you can adjust this end of object, and you can see it, and you can push to the front. You can push it to the front anyway, something like this approximately. You can set any width by the push and pull tool. Okay, then you can make it component, and just create it and move to the front, and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and you can flip it along with red axis, something like this. Okay, then you can erase some unnecessary object anyway. Then you can make it to be a one group by right click and make group anyway. Then you can add about the screw right here. You can make with polygon, maybe something like this, to make it more realistic construction of this ironing table. Then you can make a color of this iron. You can, or you can select the appropriate material of it, and after that you can adjust. You can select the material again to set up the frame. maybe something like this, and make it group, and you can move it on, or you can move it in here for the first, then you can move it again on right side and just flip it along according to the green axis anyway, then you can see it. And after that you can make a supporting plane right here. Anyway, if you found this case in your SketchUp display, you can adjust it with a camera and set the field perspective anyway. Yes. Okay, then you can make a plain board anyway. You can use a rectangle and make it a plain board anyway. Then after that you can make a thickness of this board. It's around, maybe it's around 12 millimeter for the width of the board. You can adjust it. Okay, maybe something like this. Then you can move it to the top of this frame or this supporting frame like this. Okay, then you can make another material. You can assign another material. You can use synthetic surface, something like this. Then you can see it. This is ironing table, and you can try it by yourself, or you can extend this board any anyway. You can extend this board for more, and yeah, just see it. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you to exercise your SketchUp modeling skill, and just wait for my next tips and trick modeling video on SketchUp. Thank you.